Hello students, it's truly a pleasure to welcome you all to today's online lecture on personality development class. As we gather here virtually from different parts of the world, I want to express my gratitude to each one of you to joining us. Today, we gather to explore about professional image, a subject that holds immense relevance in our ever-changing world. Throughout these sessions, I encourage active participations and thoughtful engagement from each of you, and let us embrace this online platform as a forum for intellectual exchange, collaborations, and creativity. Together, let us embark on the journey of learning, explorations, and mutual enrichment. Thank you for joining me, Ms. MASNIA RAHAYU, and let us make the most of our time together. Well, professional image. What is professional? Professionals is dedications to the work held with expertise and responsibility accompanied by guarantee of what it does to satisfy the customers. And what is professional image? Professional image is the image that one projects about themselves based upon appearance and reputations. Image can be conveyed as a professional by the way that you dress, the way you speak, the way you respond to others, and the way that others speak about you. And what is the purpose of having professional image? First is able to show self-confidence, charming, professional impressions, and also good manners and attitude. And professional image derive from how to see. There are several things. First is from inner side. Second one is outer side. And the third one is yourself and be seen by others. Well, we must know first about the definitions of the beauty itself. What is beauty actually? Beauty is the quality present in person or things that gives intense aesthetic pleasures or deep satisfactions to the mind or the sense. So there are two beauty that we must know. First is about inner beauty. Inner beauty is some people, no matter how old they get, never lose their beauty. They merely move it from their faces into their hearts. And what is outer beauty? Outer beauty is your outer beauty will capture the eyes, but your inner beauty will capture the hearts. Outer beauty, we can conclude that the beauty seen from our appearance and from outside. There are several factors of image. First is physical appearance, and the second one is emotions. For example, sad or when we're happy and others. The third one is about social status, lower class, middle class, and also upper class. And the last one is from a job or occupation, such as an employee, doctor, technicians, lecturer, and other. All of us want to have a wonderful personality. Wonderful personality comes from our intelligence, our personality, or our individual, and our behavior, and the last one is our talent. And self-image. The definition, self-image is the way a person feels about his or her personality, achievement, and value to society. The self-image includes several things. First is what you think you look like. Next is how you see your personality. What kind of person you think you are. What you believe others think of you. How much you like yourself or you think others like you. And the last one is the status you feel you have. And next is a first impressions. To build professional image, it's also come from a first impression. First impressions can be called first influence, which is the process that causes us to judge someone's behavior further based on what we saw at the first glance. And how we build first impression. First is understand our body language, eye language, hands language, how to stand, how head nod, voice language, and also smile language. The second one is behave positively. If you want to create a good impressions of someone, it will be very beneficial for you if you say positive words. And for the last one is create a good appearance so that your appearance is convincing. You should pay attention to several things such as the cleanliness of the body, the beauty of the appearance, such as clothing that you use, and your good smell. And then how to build a first impressions. Also, there are 2 points. Then, humble. Tips for success in social relationship are humble to everyone, because humble people win the love of others and receive respect from them. And also confidence. People who don't have self-confidence will lose many things that can attract people's sympathy. There are 5 senses of impressions: taste, hearing, sight, smell, and also touch. In a study conducted by the University of California, Professor Albert Mahrabian showed the percentage of message we receive in general when we interact with people of the world is 45% from appearance and body language. And what you wear is what you are. So let us move to the attire. And now we try to explain about the appearance. First is about the attire. Attire for men, actually there are 6 preparations. First is about suit. A well-tailored and single-breasted or double-breasted suit in the solid color such as navy, charcoal gray, or black. The fabric should be high-quality wool or wool blend. And the second one is a necktie or bow tie, a silk tie or bow tie in conservative pattern or solid color that complements the suit. For formal occasions, a belt sleeve tie is often preferred. A black silk tie is often preferred. And the third one is dress shoes. Black leather Oxford or DB shoes with a polished finish. The shoes should be well maintained and in good conditions. The fourth is belt. A leather belt that matches the color of the shoes. The fifth is dress sock. Mid-calf length sock in the dark color that match the trousers. The last one is optional accessories. Depending on the occasions, you may choose to add accessories such as a pocket square, a watch, or a lapel pin. Keep the understated and coordinated with the overall look. Remember, fit is a key when it comes to formal attire. Ensure that the suit is tailored to your body shape for a polished and professional appearance. And here is the women's attires. Actually, sometimes women using or wearing optional blazer or cardigan, depending on the dress code and the formality of your workplace. You may choose to layer a tailored blazer or a cardigan over your outfit or add warmth and polish. And also use light makeup and hairstyle. Keep makeup natural and polished with a focus on enhancing your feature. For professional hairstyle such as a sleek bun, a low ponytail, or soft waves, ensure that your hair is neatly styled but away from your face for professional appearance. Minimal jewelry. Keep jewelry simple and understated for a professional look. For small earring, for example, delicate necklace and classic watch, avoid wearing excessive or flashy jewelry that make distracting in a professional setting. And close to shoes. Choose close to shoes with moderate high heels for a professional appearance. Classic styles such as the pumps or loafers in natural colors like black or navy or nude are suitable for the workplace. Ensure that the shoes are polished and in good conditions. And the last one is about visual poise. Visual poise refers to the graceful and composed manner in which someone presents themselves visually, include their posture, gesture, facial expression, and overall demeanor. It involves conveying confidence, elegance, and professionalism through one's appearance and body language. Visual poise is often associated with being well-groomed, having good posture, making appropriate eye contact, and displaying confidence in social interactions or professional setting. It contributes to leaving a positive and lasting impression on others. How to stand up? First is straight posture. Maintain an upright position with shoulder back and head held high to convey confidence and professionalism. The second one is relax arms and hand. Keep your arm naturally at your side and highly clasped in front of you to appear composed and approachable. And then standing up, a signal from across the room that you are willing and eager to greet and welcome to other persons. When you stand, you literally rise to the occasions of showing respect to them. And walking. Stand upright as you walk. Use your calf, hamstring, and quad ribs to walk efficiently. Keep your shoulders pulled back, but relax. Swing your arms as you walk. Start out, reduce warm-up pace, and increase your walking speed to moderate intensity after warming up. Cool down at the end of your walk. And then how to sit. Of course, here are two sample points of sitting formally. First is strike back. Sit with your back straight and against the chair's backrest to convey attentiveness and respect. And the second one is feet flat. Keep your feet flat on the floor or cross at the ankles avoiding any excessive movement to maintain a poised and formal appearance. The simple way to become wonderful personality is has good smiling, greetings, using good words, good manners, and also has a good attitude. That's all for these materials. You can practice how you using your visual voice and how you dress well, and we can meet in the other occasions. Thank you very much and see you.